It's Monday at like 11 a.m. and I'm making a tuna sandwich because why not? Ever since eating like Chris Clemens for a day, I've been putting pickles and barbecue sauce in all my sandwiches. This is my little makeshift workstation. I just got back from my run and I'm having an apple with some fresh almond butter. My face is still so red from my 3-mile run, but it felt so good to just like get out and sweat. And now I'm having my snack. This might be the weirdest confession ever, but sometimes when Nick makes too much tofu for himself, he'll put it in this container and I eat it like popcorn. What you making? We've got some risotto and scallops on the grill. Stove. That is a stove.
So we've got some sauteed collard greens, sauteed with olive oil, garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, and crushed red pepper. Over here we have a ricotta risotto, and then here we've got some sea scallops.
Yum.
Seared in butter with some lemon juice put over them. And it would probably be served like this.
Good morning. Tried the Charlie drink from Dunkin', made a whole video about it and it's in the description. Some days I wake up and I'm super hungry, and then some days I wake up and I don't eat till 1. Today was kind of an in-between. It's like 10 and this is my first meal. I just listened to my body. A little life hack I have is when you have vegetables to cut them up so it's easier to access them and eat them. Or at least for me, I'm more likely to reach for vegetables if they're already cut up. So I'm gonna have some celery with some dill pickle hummus right now. Got my little apron on. Nick and I made dinner. We are doing taco night for Taco Tuesday. Fish tacos.
What kind of fish?
Halibut. We did it with halibut. First time. So we've got all of the fixins here. This is the first time ever cooking with halibut. We usually do cod on our fish tacos. So we've got the halibut here. I got some mango salsa and cheese, refried beans, avocado. I made a, oh my god, I almost fell. I made a coleslaw kind of thing with cabbage, jalapeno, and cilantro. And then we have these awesome cassava flour tortillas. Why do I look like this? Like, why do I have to look like this after a workout? Anyway, I'm having some brekkie. And by brekkie, I just want something super fast. So I'm having this Go Macro bar in the flavor double chocolate peanut butter. I've never had this flavor. Sounds really good. Morning, guys. I realize I haven't really talk to you throughout this What I Eat in a Week. I feel a little bit out of my element because I'm not home, so it's just a little weird filming here and I'm trying to get the hang of it. We're just here because the fires are really bad where we live. The air quality is being affected like more than it is in Orange County, so we decided to come back to the beach, which obviously I love being here and I'm really lucky that we can be here, but again, it's like not my house, so it's different. I'm tempted to eat out more, and yeah, that's like the biggest thing. So I'm challenging myself this week, which is partially why I wanted to film a What I Eat in a Week again, because I really want to save my money and make healthy meals at home. That being said, it's about 11 a.m. and I want a little matcha pick-me-up before I get started with the workday. Hi guys, I apologize for any surround sound. I'm sitting at the desk that's upstairs and the vent is right there. But anyway, I'm having a green juice and I just wanted to chat a second because I know yesterday morning I was like, oh my god, I haven't talked to you guys all day, and then I literally only filmed that. It just got super busy and I wasn't able to just as quickly pick up my camera. And it's a little bit more difficult filming here, as I mentioned, because normally when we're in our apartment, Nick has his own office and I have my own space, and so it's easier to film because he's on calls like all day, and because of that, like, I can't just whip out the camera here and just talk because we're like on top of each other in this house. So it just didn't work out. That's fine. Had breakfast this morning, had a coffee, I'm having some juice, I'm gonna work out. I actually have to run a bunch of errands. That's kind of what I'm doing today, just like some work for acting, working on my website, and exciting things of that nature. That's my update. This is the green 3 juice. It is so delicious. It has apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, spinach, ginger, kale, and parsley in it. Delicious. I made eggplant pizza. If you guys have watched probably every single one of my What I Eat in a Weeks by now, I think I've made this in every single one of them. I will leave the full recipe in the description, but they are a game changer and so delicious.
Be a little you care.